Welcome to Tika Marvo channel. Today we are in village of Eagle in Chester County, Pennsylvania. As you can see, there is lot of flooding in the area due to Hurricane Ida. The place you are seeing is just 200 feet away from car shop, and bridge you are seeing is the I-76. Here are a lot of cars passing through the floodwaters. Dangerous waves are splashing the cars, and this blue car has taken a U-turn to escape the floodwaters. Stay safe, stay inside, and hopefully all of this will be over by tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching Tika Marvo. Please like, subscribe and share my video channel. Follow me on Instagram as well. Goodbye.